Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Deepwing Egg Clump in Subnautica 2. The item we need is actually dropped from a very elusive leviathan that spawns in the game. Now, I'd like to give you a bit of a warning. These leviathans don't really have a fixed location of where they spawn. However, I have found them spawning in areas where there is open ocean. The first one I've seen was directly passing through the area of where the Great Jaw is located, at around 330 meters away from the life pod to the south. Usually they come in groups of 3, but for some reason this one is traveling on its own. If you follow along its path, behind it are these small little balls. 99% of these are decoys, but if you pay close attention, the real ones are significantly bigger than the decoys. Collect them because these are extremely rare to come by. The other location of where I found these leviathans were at the other side of the trench, very close by the alien ruins. Once again, just like the first one, just follow along with them, and you should see the brood dropping off its eggs. And that's about it on how to find Deepwing Egg Clumps in Subnautica 2.